Juggler. Left hand on middle C, right hand on high C. And when you juggle, you're gonna juggle the C where you need to cross your hand, right hand over your left hand. Start from left hand C. Ready, set, go. C, B, A, G, B, skip, go up to C, go down to G, C, go down B, A, G, B, skip A, B, C. Now right hand C, left hand C, crossover, left, right, cross, left, cross, left, right, twice, left, cross, twice, left, B, skip, go